10,000 tick trap. $10,000 tick trap.
Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just a dope lean and a Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Boy, oh boy, it's good to be back. I am back here, back in the States, and we are ready to go. Man, it's good to be back. Ready to get that bamboo. Pandas. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Mike Richardson, good morning. Happy Camper, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Kyle Lubers, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. It's good to have you. It is great to have you guys. Good morning,
10,000 tick trap.
Welcome to the stream. Man, it's good to be back. I can't tell you how excited I am that I'm back here, ready to stream. By the way, the voice is feeling good. I was sick for a long time, for about a week straight, and I just could not even talk because I would just get these like cough reflexes that I could not control, and it was unbearable. And but now I'm back. I feel great, and I'm excited to make that bamboo. Currently, our stream accounts are up $614, pandas. I did make a trade while off stream, and I'll go over it with you guys right now. It was just this trap trade. I got it for about 4 points, and that's why I'm up 600. And basically made a new low from here, made a double bottom bounce, and made a nice reversal. Four pushes down on 10,000 tick chart. That's not right. Right, break a trend to new low on the 10,000 tick. Huge reversal. Where are we in the weekly chart, pandas? The weekly chart, the trap has triggered, and we have made a new low. I think we have more room to go down, pandas. I really do. We have a strong bear bar ending near its low. I think we have more room to go down. I think we could potentially hit the 240 SMA again. I really don't know if we're gonna touch this high. I don't know. It's just on the weekly chart. When you get a trap trade like this, I just feel like it is devastating for the market. Daily chart, we made a new low here. So I did mention that we would probably test this pivot low again. Because we had the second entry short that works, and now we most likely will have another leg down, something like this, something along these lines. We probably have something like this on the daily chart. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see, though. We shall see. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Another leg down on daily chart. 10,000 tick chart. We're in an uptrend right now. $2,000 tick chart. We're hitting the bottom of this channel. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's good to be back. Hugh, good morning. Panda, you weren't on that commercial plane that the off-duty pilot tried to crash, were you? I didn't hear about it. But no, I definitely was not. And I'm glad I wasn't. What's the story behind that? I have no idea. What is the story behind that? That is wild. $14 hours ago. Crash Alaska. Ooh. Whoa. This guy tried to crash a plane mid-flight. He was charged with 83 accounts of attempted murder. Yeah, that's wild. I don't know. Hansman, good morning. Mo7, good morning. Welcome. Quick news check. We have due at 9:45 a.m. We could be bouncing around until then. We have flash manufacturing PMI. That's the news for today. We also have news on Wednesday at 4:35 p.m., which is strange. But someone did mention in the pre-market show that Google and Microsoft will be releasing earnings after market today. So we could have some wild action after 4 o'clock. So if you like to trade after that 4 o'clock time at Eastern time, then this might be your day. Thursday, 8:30 a.m. We got advanced GDP with unemployment claims. And Friday, we got 8:30 a.m. core PC price index month over month, and 10 a.m. revised U of M consumer sentiment. So we do have news every single day this week, but the news today and tomorrow may not really affect the markets. It's really Thursday, I think, will move the markets, and that's in 8:30 a.m. But the big one, Pandas, is next week, Wednesday. I mean, if you want to talk about news, I mean, back to back to back news, next Wednesday, I mean, that's the make or break your account day. If you want to have a make or break your account day, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. That's the day you look for. So, what you can do is you can start your evals today. Start building up. Is if you build up your trading days now, stock up on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on Wednesday will be the 7th day, which you have to trade 7 days anyways. So you can front run your trading days, get your trading days in, and on Wednesday, by Wednesday, you can have completed your evals, and then on Thursday, you'll be ready to trade PA accounts. So. Yeah, this news is wild. Tate says, big thing was he was in the cockpit hitching a ride. So apparently there's a place where off-duty pilots can sit. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Iron Crew says, pilots scare me knowing they can end your life and you can't do anything about it. It's really true. There should be extra like precautions for like psychological tests for pilots. Make sure they're not suffering depression or anything like that. Trace Chick, good morning. Thank you for the welcome. It is good to be back, Pandas. We are back. Pandas. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Let everyone know we are back. Ready. Regular scheduled programming now. Every single day, 9:15 a.m. We'll be trading and streaming the Emini with pure price action. Would you guys be mad if I trade only the 5-minute chart? Would you really be mad? It's so clean. It's such a clean chart. You know, 2 bull bars and it's just always in long. Jeez Louise. It's so clean. That's why I always have the 5-minute up. The 2000 tick chart is just wacky sometimes. Just wacky. Mo7 says, blew another account yesterday, back to demo. Let's try this, Pandas. How about this? Our next goal, especially for those who have PA accounts, your next goal is this. Your next goal is to keep your account alive for 2 months. That's your next goal. That's what I'm going to try to do with these accounts. Trade small, trade safe. Trade only the best setups I can possibly imagine. And we're going to try to keep these accounts as live as long as possible. And hopefully by the end of 2 months, we'll be at withdrawal. That's the idea, hopefully. Scalp a day keeps the boss away. He says the United States hasn't had a major commercial airline crash in a really long time, like almost 20 years. Makes me nervous every time I fly now because it seems like we're due time. Yeah. One good scalp a day keeps the boss away. The boss away. Market's about to open 2.5 minutes. Remember, we have news at 9:45, so we may get a little sideways price action until then. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Helps with the algorithm, helps with the channel, lets everyone know that we are back streaming live every single day. Markets have opened. We are bouncing off the bottom of our channel. Have we got enough here? We might need a new low still. I do hope we get a big mama today. I'd love to see it. Quite a large gap that needs to be filled on the 5-minute chart. I don't like the second entry short, but we have undershoots and overshoot, and the reason why I don't know if we can get a new low is because we are bouncing off our channel here. All right, definitely not going short now. He says it still blows my mind that a huge airliner just vanished back in 2013. That Malaysian jumbo jet. Yeah, I think Netflix did a special on that. It's wild. It is wild. All the conspiracies behind it. How does that happen, though? When you have like a black box, maybe the black boxes are not as reliable as we think. I don't know. Trivia question. What color is the black box in an airplane? Second just short. Skipping it. Of course, we're above the 20 MA. Yeah, you guys knew. It's orange. It's called black box. I don't know why it's called black box, but The color is actually orange because that's the easiest to see. It's the easiest to see, so when the plane crashes, they can find it a little easier, I guess. Okay, we got the trap triggering here. We do have news at 9:45, so we could get a little tricky price action here. Generally, that trap is not that bad to take right there. But I'm sitting my pause, being patient here, waiting for the news, really. Hey, if you took that trap, you just got stopped out, unfortunately. Thoughts and prayers to you. Second entry long. It's a better setup than the trap. But still, 4 overlapping bars in a row now. 1, 2, 3, 4 overlapping bars. Sitting on my pause. We're still in the first bar on the 5-minute chart. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. We gotta let everyone know we are back live. Back with full audio as well. I was sick for the last week, so I was doing a couple silent streams, and had a day of traveling, coming back to the States, and so now we are back to our regular programming, and hopefully you guys scalping that like button can let everyone know we are back here. That second entry long looks good. Makes a perfect scalp. We still have news coming up, and it's a little bit tricky here. It looks like an uptrend. Good second entry long, but the 4 overlapping bars kind of made me hesitate. Yeah, 4 overlapping bars. Perhaps a measure move now. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Ooh, I have a wrong message. My bad, pandas. It's been a while since I've streamed, huh? Let me change that. Okay, got a measure move. Do we got Big Mama coming up here? I'd love to see it. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. I mean, that just tells you. Let's see if we get follow through. It just tells you that we may have a bull day today. Really strong bull bar, incredible. But strong bull bars with no follow through mean nothing. It means exhaustion. But this is not a place where you'd be exhausted, in my opinion. I mean, we just started. Got a trap trade here. I'm interested though. I'm interested. We're a little bit far away from 20 MA. We still got news waiting for us, but I'm interested in this trap because of the big strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. I like the odds of this trap working out because of the strong bull bar on the 5-minute. It's a 1-to-1 risk reward as well. Come on, taps. Just tickles my target. Just teasing me here. I think we're good though. I think we're good. Come on, retest that high. Don't do that to me. Do not reverse. Pandas. Do not reverse on me. No. I'm staying strong. I'm staying strong, pandas. Oh my. Got tick shotted. I mean, it doesn't fill me. It just tickles me. Tickles my tick. Always tickling my tick. What is that about? Staying strong, pandas. Stay strong. Oof. Tickles my tick and just reverses on me. It was sus, I guess, but I like the strong bull bar in a 5-minute. I think we had some follow through there. Tickles my tick, takes me out. Actually does hit my target, but doesn't fill me, unfortunately. Just waiting. Curious to see what happens here. Second entry long, I might be interested. Only problem now is that we have a failed trap here, and it makes me a little bit hesitant to want to go long. But we are in an uptrend, and let's see if we get an opportunity. Second entry long above the 20 MA, bouncing off the 20 MA. Maybe a good trade here. Again, playing off the 5-minute strong bull bar, ending on its high, most likely a follow through. We may not get an opportunity. We'll see. Okay, maybe a second entry long here. Am I interested? A little bit. A little bit, because we're in an uptrend above 20 MA. Terrible signal bar. Terrible looking signal bar. Curious to see what happens here. News in about 4 minutes. 3.5 minutes. Huh. I don't know. Second entry long. Terrible signal bar again. Now we're breaking beneath the 20 MA. Probably a little more inclined to take this failed second entry long at this point. Still no follow through on that 5-minute strong bull bar. Okay, second entry long triggers. Bouncing off our trend line. Also, pretty much bouncing off the 20 MA. It's just a bad signal bar here. Makes the outside bar. Looks more confusing than clear to me. Sit on my pause. Trap trade here, maybe good. Maybe a decent trap trade here. But still sitting on my pause. If you took that long, you just got stopped out. So at least I prevented myself from taking 2 losses in a row.
10,000 tick trap.
This failed trap now is a better setup than the second entry long. If we get a failed trap here, I may be interested in the failed trap. It's beneath the 20 MA, which makes it a little bit sus. But I'll be willing to take this risk. Missed that. Ooh, the bar's not as good. Sigma bar's not as nice as I would like it to be. Okay, it's actually pushing down. One minute to news. Let's just wait till news. Johnson says I'm up 600. Let's go, baby. Let's put it down. Put it down. We got news in 30 seconds. Emmanuel Martinez asks, do I like Theo Vaughn, like the comedian? Yeah, he's funny. Blacklight Juicy says, had modem issues, but nothing happened, which is good. News has dropped. Big drop down. Big spike down. Big spike down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Big spike down. And that's the thing about the 5-minute chart, pandas. Strong bull bar, no follow through means nothing. You need follow through. What's happening now, pandas? Let me try to fill that gap. News has dropped. It's quite a strong move, actually. Not that bad. Okay. This trap was decent. Actually works out, but you have to stay in the news, which I was not willing to do. Pretty decent strong move down. And the news was at 9:45, which is an odd time for news, but it was two. It was flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. They came out strong. Good news is bad news in this market. It means more higher probability that the Fed will raise interest rates. If you guys don't know, next week, Wednesday, is the big kahuna news. It's a make or break your account news event. Next Wednesday, you have the Fed funds rate and also FOMC. And boy, oh boy, it's going to be fireworks. In my opinion, I think it's going to be fireworks. The Fed most likely will raise interest rates, in my opinion. Just from the rhetoric, it seems like they believe the economy is strong. So they have no reason, and inflation is persistent. So there is no reason for them not to raise interest rates. And they also mentioned that they're going to raise interest rates one more time this year. So in my opinion, I think next time they're going to raise interest rates. And I think it's going to crush the market, to be honest. I personally think it's going to crush the market. And seeing the weekly chart, I can see the big reversal happening. So that's next week Wednesday. And the nice thing about next week Wednesday is, guess what? If you start trading right now on your evals, by next Wednesday, that will be the 7th day. And so with that news event, you can pass your evals. And with that one single event, you can start trading on Thursday, your PAs. You can get funded. So you can build up your trading days right now with one micro
10,000
until
tick
next
trap.
Wednesday. And then, oh, this is getting choppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. It is a second entry short, but this price action is choppy. Sit on my pause for a little bit here. It's big risk too. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4.5 points of risk if you want to take this short. Big up, big down. This is why I'm saying it's choppy. Ooh, you got a trap triggering on the 10,000 tick chart. Trap trigger and 10,000 tick is no joke. You must reckon that. You must reckon that the traps on the higher time frames are very, very, very strong indicators. It makes me want to go short. But the failed trap, oof, it's even stronger. What's gonna happen here? Don't know. All right, pops up. Failed trap on a 10,000 tick chart. At least that's what it seems like. Italian says, passed my first eval account yesterday. Started trading Pats in August, spending 8 hours a day studying. Thanks for being real and showing every trade you take makes learning this life. Let's go, baby. Congratulations, Italian. Congratulations, seriously. Hope you do well in your PA counts. Oof. Interesting. I would like a setup on the smaller time frame, but I don't think I'm going to get it. I really don't know if I'm going to get one. It's going to go down. It's like for certain going to go down. I just want to set up here. Okay, nothing's for certain, but I have a strong feeling it's going to go down. That's my premise. So if I sell anywhere here, I should make money, to be honest. Oof. Second entry short. Be taking this second entry short. It's wacky, right? Because you're kind of bottom of a trading range at this point. But because of my strong premise going down right now, I'm willing to take this risk. Okay. Pushing up to the 20 MA. Getting ready for the second entry short. Even better, I think, now. Looks even better now, in my opinion. It's a doji bar. It is a bit choppy, but I do think we're going to push down here. Let's push down a little bit. I think we're going to push strong. I think we're pushing strong. Got 2 points here. Let's get more than that. I'll at least a 1-to-1 here. 1-to-1 will be right here. Let's get a 1-to-1. Ooh, maybe too choppy to get the 1-to-1. It is very choppy. If you look at the price action right now, you got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like 15 bars in a range, small range right now. Let's push. Let's push. Give me that 1-to-1. Oof. I'm not sure if I'm willing to see what happens here. All right. Getting a tab push down here. Trading range may be too strong here. Maybe way too choppy. Lean into your mistakes. Darn, it's gonna get me. Oof, spiked up almost took me out. Didn't quite take me out yet. Interesting. I'm just holding the proper stop loss. Let's see if it's good enough. Another trade here. Taking the trap trade now. Another push down. It's too choppy. It's gonna get me, huh? Oof. Let's take the proper stop loss again. It is what it is if I get hit. It's just too choppy. Should have stayed away from this. Ooh, okay. Okay. I can come out break even if I want to, but you know me, pandas. Lean into your mistakes. You know me, pandas. Lean into your mistakes. Bad time to lean into your mistakes, pandas. Very bad time. I could have came out break even easily. Maybe even make a small profit there. Jeez Louise, this is going to take me out easily here. Boom. All right, I'm out. Wow. Could have came out break even. It's just too choppy. I should have came out. After seeing all this chop, after seeing the 10,000 tick chart and the trap failing and just going sideways, outside bar, it was an easy call to come out break even, but content, pandas, content. Oof. Oh man, could have came out break even right there. Could have, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, woulda, dulda, woulda. So choppy. I don't know. Continue this trading range. Go short here. Continue the trading range. Looks more like a double bottom in an uptrend.
10,000
Right,
tick
uptrend,
trap.
double bottom. Oof. It's so choppy, pandas. It's so choppy. I would get chopped up here if I went long and it reverses on me. I would not like the feeling of that. I'm sitting on my pause, pandas. I need clear direction. But I got chopped up. I doubled my position here because I saw another push down. I could have came out break even pretty easily. I should have, but you know me, pandas. Leaning into your mistakes is my marquee. Trap does trigger. I'm staying away from this. It's way too choppy. Okay, pushes down now. Trap fails immediately. Instantly reverses. Just disgusting. Just absolutely disgusting right now. Reverses, takes you out and then reverses back up. How maddening is that? If you went long here and you saw that reverse, take you out and then reverse on the same bar, how maddening is that, pandas? I don't know. This is a market you stay away from. I'm staying away from this. How maddening is that? Goodness gracious. I don't even know what to do here. Sit in my pause. Like, as long as we're in like this trading range here, it's just gonna be confusing, no matter what. Basically, if you want to trade here, you gotta time your breakout. You're trying to do a breakout trade, and you gotta time it perfectly. If you don't time it perfectly, you will get chopped up. Very difficult to time. Okay, pushing up. The 5 minutes suggests trading range day today. Big up, big down. Let's see what happens. Show the panda some love. Make sure you got scalp that like button. I need that AdSense money. Down 450 today. Not good. That's maddening, right? Imagine if you went long here, you get stopped out in the same bar. It reverses in one bar. It not only triggers your trade, takes you out, and comes right back up. That is just maddening. This is a market you stay away from, to be honest. It's gonna be tricky, very tricky in my opinion. It does seem like we're breaking out though. Big Mama about to trigger. Very overextended on the Big Mama. But you know me, I'm taking it. I will be taking this Big Mama. Double top. The 5 minute, 5 minutes tricky. It seems like either trading range or bull trend. You know the silly thing is, pandas, I could have got 2 points on this scalp. I could have got 2 points. Instead, I lost 450. Or I lost, what was it? 350 on that trade. I could have gained 100, but I lost 350 instead. I wanted a 1-to-1. But it was too choppy. I should have got my 2 points and got out. I may be always in long on the 5 minute chart. Two strong bull bars on the 5 minute. You're thinking most likely follow through here, right? These bull bars ending on their highs. You like to see some follow through sometime though. You still gotta break a trend to new high here. Double top instead, not a new high. Retest of the high. I'm a bit bullish right now. I'm a bit bullish. First entry, second entries, maybe going everything here. I'll wait for the second entry long. Okay, second entry long. Are we gonna get it? Nice. Second entry long. Looking for my setup. Could be a double top here. Could be a nice place for reversal at this point as well. It's a bit tricky, in my opinion. I'm going to go for a second entry long here, though. I'll go for a second entry long, and I'll double up on the reversal. Sounds like a plan. Bad looking signal bar here. Ugly looking signal bar. It's a doji. Huh. Not quite what I'm looking for. Okay.
10,000 tick trap.
Going in long here. Bad looking signal bar. Real bad looking signal bar here. I can't take it on that signal bar. I'm sorry. Not with that signal bar. I cannot. It's a very bad signal bar. I can't do it. I have some dignity left in me. Man, look at these strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart. No follow through. Now it seems to really suggest we're in trading range. Disgusting. Okay. Well, I'm glad I didn't go in the second entry long anywhere in this area. It would have been a trap. Just watching now. Incredible. I mean, the 5-minute, wacky, right? Strong bull bar. The bulls are trapped here now, right? A lot of bulls bought the close. They're trapped here. Disgusting. Disgusting. Bulls are insanely trapped right now. You have no idea how trapped those bulls are. Still above the 20 MA on the 5-minute chart though. Confusing. Very confusing. No entries. Wowzers. Alright. Big up, big down, big up. Big down. Right, big up, big down, big up, big down. Completely overlapping bars. Second entry short. What a day. What wild price action. This is what I see right now. Big blue box. Second entry short, terrible signal bar. Bottom of the trading range, bouncing off of it. I'm better off just not trading until all this resolves. This is very confusing. I'm a sucker for this trap here. I like the entry bar, how it looks like. Came with a small retracement. Starting to look like a limit order market. Let's hope it doesn't turn into one. Looking for my 1-to-1 here. See if I get it. Okay, got that 1-to-1. Let's go, baby.
5-minute trap.
Wild price action right now. That's some wild price action. I'll take it. I'll take my 1-to-1. Coming back to the top of the blue box. I mean, the 5-minute chart, pandas. Have you seen anything like this before? Big up, big down, big up, big down, big up. All in one bar, basically. One bar moves. Sick. I mean, if anything, this is just a bull flag, right? You got a big move up here. And then you got this kind of flaggish looking thing. And then you're looking for a measure move of some sort. Something like that. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. That'd be great because I'll get my big mama to trigger.
Five-minute trap.
Is it launch time, pandas? Second entry long, 5-minute chart. Right, Pikachu trade on the 5-minute. Is it launch time? Are we ready to launch? You guys complaining about evals or swing on Apex? You can swing, you just gotta swing in the right size. Maybe even swing micros if you have to. Is it time to launch is the question. On top of the blue box here. We might get back down to the bottom of the blue box. For how things are going, I wouldn't be surprised if we did. I think it's clearly in a limit order market on the 5-minute chart. Right, people are just selling top, buying at the bottom. They're gonna keep doing that until it no longer works. Danny Boy Trader says, just hit 57,500 on my PA. Thanks for inspiring the community. Love your channel, bro. Hey, congratulations. Show some love to Danny Boy Trader. Killing it. That's a lot of bamboo. Are you going to withdraw? What are your plans? Why do you have so much in there? Why don't you withdraw? Second entry long may be interesting here. Okay, first entry. Just crazy. Look at this, straight down, straight back up. Bottom of the blue box, back to the top of the blue box. And but your hopefully withdrawal today is day 9. Ah, you've only traded for 9 days and you hit $7,500. Goodness gracious. Iron Cruise is absolutely correct. This is a barcode right now. Typically, stay away from markets like this.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay. I have no idea what's happening. You got a first entry here.
Five-minute trap.
Second entry long. 2000 tick chart. But it's so choppy. You're not really thinking much here. I'm not really thinking going long. I don't think I can. Quite difficult to go long here, in my opinion. This is so choppy because of outside bar reversal. Push is quite strong here.
10,000 tick trap.
The 5-minute chart just big up, big down, big up, big down, big up. Let's see, probably big down. 10,000 tick chart looks a little more like it has some sort of W shape going on here. Goodness gracious. Outside bar reversal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 overlapping bars in a row. It's just sick. It's just sick price action. Nothing you can do really about this. Just gotta watch it. So Pandas, how you guys doing? It's good to be back. I was out on vacation for the last 3 weeks. And I was streaming while on vacation. But caught a cold last week. And so I really couldn't stream much. But it's good to be back in the States, back with my health, and we are ready to go. Down 279 right now, but Pandas, we're gonna change that. We're gonna change that with the next setup here if we can get one. Right now, I'm reading the price action as being choppy, so I'm gonna stay away from this currently. If you're making money here, let us know your secret, please. Second entry long. Ooh, I mean, it's risky. You can take it, but it's very choppy. It's just very choppy right now. Of course, you can take this. It'll be a breakout if it does work. At this point, it's almost worthless to count legs because it's so choppy. There is a promo right now, BBM 80 for 71% off. Also, all resets are 50% off. No code needed. And it is confirmed that the 50K account, if you reset it, is cheaper to reset at 50% off than to purchase a new one at 71% off. That's been confirmed. Slightly cheaper. So sideways. If you went long here and you're sweating, the reason is because look how choppy it is. Really, it's a timing thing at this point. You don't really know when it's going to happen, but when it does, it probably will be a strong move. Okay, pushing down. Jeez Louise. Okay, pushing down.
10,000 tick trap.
No follow through on these strong bars, right? Strong bull bar, no follow through. Strong bear bar, no follow through. Strong bull bar, no follow through. It's just no follow through right now on any of these bars, so you really just don't know what's happening. Interesting. It's hard to read this. 10,000 tick chart actually setting up for a second entry long here. Alright, never mind. Coming back to the bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator on 10,000 tick. 5 minute also has a trading range indicator up. Right, it's starting to mark this as a trading range. 2,000 ticks, pushing down. Incredible. Incredibly impossible to time any of these moves, in my opinion. The thing is, though, the 5 minute is clearly above the 20 EMA still. It's still more bullish than bearish. Wowzers.
10,000 tick trap.
It's scary when it works like clockwork, because this is the believe it or not, this is the uncommon thing. When you have a range and actually it bounces off the ranges like perfectly. It doesn't really happen that way. This doesn't. This is like a textbook. It's like whenever they give you textbook examples, it looks like this. It doesn't really happen in real life. Ralph Gruns, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. It's good to be back. Good to see you guys. Lee A, welcome. Iron Crew, Nyummer. Salvatore, welcome, guys. Thanks for joining. It's good to see familiar names here. Zilla, welcome. Thanks for joining. Good morning, everybody. It's good to be back.
5 minute trap.
I'm telling you, it's really nice to be back. I'm so happy. You know, trading with you guys is one of the greatest pleasures, really. It's kind of sad because when you're on vacation, you're kind of away from doing. You're away from the thing that you love most, which is trading futures with the greatest community on YouTube, verified. So even though I was on vacation, missing everybody here, missing this. All right, pandas, here we go. Let's see if we get a nice push up here. Christopher Lopez, thanks for becoming panda. Bobby C said, had to resort to other channels. I feel bad for you. Because all the other channels don't even come close to what we're doing here. Doesn't even come close. Okay, getting a push up. Oh man, the 10,000 tick. Again, strong bull bar. Let's see if there's follow through this time. Without follow through, it means nothing. I feel bad for you, Bobby C. Really. I mean, it sucks to have to watch other people trade when they are not the most profitable trader on YouTube, verified. Here we go, pandas. We're getting Big Mama setting up here. Panda, be honest, you went to ride on Pat W's boat. Now that boat's rented. Can't afford it anymore. The thing is, pandas, if you were making money in futures, I mean, would you really spend the money on a boat? I don't know. I kind of had the mindset that either you're buying a liability or you're buying an asset. If I went and bought a boat, it would just be a liability. I like to see things as investments. Either you're investing in things or you're not. Either your money's working for you or working against you. So if you're making money with futures, like Patrick Weiland is obviously making 20K a day, then would you be buying boats? I don't know. That's not me. That's not my style. That's not what I do. That's not how I do things. If anything, I don't invest in stuff such as Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin is skyrocketing right now. Is it still skyrocketing? Last time I looked, it was like 34,000. What's Bitcoin at right now? 34,000 still. It's just rocketing up. Mark Aguila says, if I was a wildly successful trader, I'll definitely buy a boat. I mean, because you would use it to go fishing. Like, you do what you love, Honestly. It's just not what I would do. I wouldn't even buy a fancy car. I'd buy a car that works well, comfortable. I'd rather put the money in real estate. You know what I mean? That's just me, though. It's just how I function. This is a dumb trade, pandas. Do not copy my trades. This is a really dumb trade. I'll say that right now. It's a little bit far away from 20 MA. We're obviously in some sort of trading range. We're at the top of the trading range. It's a silly trade. We have no follow through on any of these strong bull bars. I'm just taking a risk here. I'm bucking the trend here with this trade. It's a dumb trade. I would just go, yeah. If I made $1 million, I'll just go to the casino, so I can try to make $1 million. Why go to the casino when you're already in one? Cha-ching! Dumb trade. It really is a dumb trade. I don't know why I entered this trade. all this talk about boats and stuff made me enter it. I saw a strong bull bar on the 10K. Maybe it's time. I really shouldn't be taking my chances, huh? Coming out. Dumb trade. Just move on. Let's wait for Big Mama. It's a second entry long trap trade, right? It's a Pikachu. So I thought it'd be a good trade, good setup here. But right now, from what we can tell, we are in a trading range. So, and we're at the top of it. Wacky things can happen here. Okay, pushing up. All right, pushing up. What? What's happening? Big Mama doesn't trigger. Instead, it creates this huge wick. Big Mama never triggers. Reversing. Okay. Very cool. This is why you wait for Big Mama to trigger. You don't go in prematurely. Let's see. If you guys made, let's say if you guys made, the magic number for me is 5 million. If I can make 5 million at any point in time, if I ever have $5 million in my life, I would retire. I'll retire. What's your magic number? The reason why is because if you get 5 million, 5% of 5 million, and then what is that? 5% of 5 million a year. That's 250K. $250,000 at 5%. And 5% is pretty safe. Pretty conservative estimate. Blacklight Gypsy says 160K, so close to that. All you need is 160K. Yeah, it's a $250,000, right? 5% of 5 mil. Quick maths. That's enough for me every year. Just living on interest. I'd be happy. But who knows by then? If I'm ever at 5 million, then I'm probably living a lifestyle that requires a little bit more money than $250,000. But think about inflation. It's true. Actually, that's true. Inflation is a killer of retirements. Got a second entry long here. Am I interested? Not really. This is funky. It's funky price action. Again. It just looks choppy. This whole thing looks so choppy. Okay, second entry long. This trigger here has a little triangle forming at this point. Okay, second entry long. Looks like it's pushing through. Let's see. Still in Trap City here on the second entry long. Ooh, interesting. I don't know about that. Might test the bottom one more time before pushing out. Okay, the second entry long fails. Cool. Just watching. It breaks out, retests top of the trading range here. Nice if I could get a setup here. I don't know if I'm gonna get one though. I mean, I still have Big Mama waiting for me.
5-minute trap.
High or low might be worth taking. Okay, Big Mama about to trigger. I'll just take this trade at Big Mama. Simple as that. In Big Mama.
Five-minute trap.
I'm not scared. Are you scared? I'm not scared. It's ridiculous. I'm not scared. Just trust the Big Mama. You gotta trust the Big Mama. Trust. You gotta trust in Big Mama. You've betrayed me, Big Mama. You have betrayed me.
10,000 tick trap.
Second attempt here. Tick shots me. Second attempt here. Double. I'll run this one. We'll take a runner on this second attempt.
10,000 tick trap.
I'm attempting this trap here just in case it's a big reversal. This could potentially be a big reversal coming off the previous day's high. If not, I'll just come in with Big Mama again. It's gonna have to get hit.
5-minute trap.
I did that because of the potential of a really big move down. That's why I took that trade. It could have been a really strong reversal coming off the previous day's high. So that's why I attempted it. It's okay, it doesn't work. But I had good reason to try, thinking maybe perhaps trading range day today. We come all the way back down to the bottom of trading range. It was a setup to take for it, but it doesn't work, obviously. But that's the reason why I took it. We're gonna get Big Mama here, and we're gonna run it. We're gonna run it. If we get Big Mama to trigger again. Reversal, right? Trap trade coming off the, with a wedge top, coming off the previous day's high. Has good potential for a strong reversal there. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Right? It's a small risk for a big reward. That's kind of why I decided to take it. But we'll see here. Second attempt on Big Mama here. think I'm gonna risk off here. Hopefully it doesn't take me out. Hopefully it does not take me out. I may have to hold it.
$10,000 tick trap.
Oh, silly trade. I should have came out by Big Mama when I could have. I could have scalped out the Big Mama at least. The very least scalp out the Big Mama. The whole day has been a limit order market. I don't even know why I tried to get more than the scalp there. The whole day's been a limit order market on the 5-minute chart, right? Just limit order market all the way up, selling at the top of the bars, buying at the bottom of the bars. Dumb, 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 dumb. Daily chart just breaks above the previous candle's high. It's gonna get me. Dumb trade. Dumb, 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 dumb. Should have just scalped out. I could have scalped out. It was 2.5 points. I could have scalped out. But instead, got greedy. Tried to get like a little bit more on the core of that position. And now it's reversing on me, so... And dumb 5-minute chart also hitting 240 SMA. I mean, we're hitting resistance here. It's a dumb trade. I should have just scalped out. I don't know why I did it. Pandas. Oh man, it's gonna get me now. Greed kills. Greed kills, right? Bulls and bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. Jeez. Dumb trade. Dumb trade. Dumb trade. Got me. I thought I could get a little bit more on that Big Mama, so I started raising the core of my position, and instead it just makes the Big Mama perfectly and just reverses on me. And that might be all you get really here. Darn, it is what it is. Lesson learned: always take that Big Mama scalp. Always take the Big Mama scalp before you move your and just let the runner run if you can. Just let the runners run. That's the whole point of runners. We're still alive here, so we'll see what happens. Probably not for long. Hopefully the limit order bulls coming in at the bottom of this, right? Hopefully bulls are buying up the bottom of these bars. It doesn't look like it though. Does not look like it at all. Looks like it wants to reverse on me here. Big time. Dumb trade.
10,000
Always
tick trap.
take the Big Mama scalp if you can get it. Do not try to take more than that. Jeez Louise. Paying for it. We're still okay. We're still alive. How much longer though? That's the question. it's gonna get me here in the next reversal, for sure. Yep. If it doesn't take me out here, then you guys all have to convert to Christianity. Because there is a God. There is a God. There's no way I don't get stopped out here. Is there? Pandas. There's no way I'm safe. Is it? There's no way I'm going to be safe here. Absolutely no way. There's no way. Pandas. Pandas, there's no way. Is there? Pandas. There's no way I survive this. There's absolutely no way I survive this. No. There's no way there's absolutely no chance I survive this. Is there? What is going on? Why am I still alive? Why am I still in this trade? Pandas. Pandas. There's absolutely no way I survive this. It's a second entry long. Is the trap going to trigger? Is this a trap that's going to reverse the market? Should I take this trap trade? I'll take the trap here. Let's see. Pandas. Is this a modern day miracle? No. It simply cannot be. I'm out. I'm out. I'll enter this trade. If I'm out here, these accounts are practically dead. Pandas, I could have been safe. If I didn't move my stop loss, I actually will still be in this trade. These accounts are practically dead. Where are we at right now? About $1,000 left of threshold. We can get a huge push down. This would be like basically bouncing off right Big Mama here. I'm basically taking this attempt again, right? This trade again. I'm tempting it again 2 times. Right, second chance reversal here. You know what? I'll still be in the trade though, right? My stop loss was right here. There's a higher chance it's going down, right? Than going up. All right, I would have got stopped out anyways. I need at least 5 points, Pandas. I need at least 5 points. I need at least 5 points for this trade to be worth it. At least 5. All right, it's a big reversal, right? Big reversal setup here. Timing is near impossible though in a choppy market like this. It's gonna get me. Man, these accounts are gonna be on the lifeline. Jeez, it's gonna take me out. Well, might as well try.
Five-minute trap.
All right, got another push down here. Still a chance. I need at least 5 points. At least 5 points here. to make this worth it, in my opinion. Pandas? 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 Pandas! What the? Pandas! 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 I mean, did you just... Anyone see that? Anyone still watching? Are you guys still here? Goodness gracious, pandas. What in the world was that? It's gonna take my runner out, huh? Come on. Give me a runner. Give me something. Give me bottom of the blue box, please. Give me an all-day reversal. Please let me find the top. Let that be the reversal of the day. Goodness gracious, pandas. I got nothing to lose. Right, I'm still in threshold. Right, I'm still under my threshold. Am I still within my threshold? I think I am. Yeah, I'm still way in the threshold. So might as well hold it. It doesn't matter. My threshold doesn't get affected here. My threshold starts to get affected. Man, I should put one more column for the highest, but I could just add it. 50,675. So I need to move 10 points. More than 10-point move here. As long, I'm fine. Right, my threshold will not be affected at all. I mean, I got 10 points of buffer for my threshold, so might as well just run this. You know what I mean, pandas? Because if you lose money, the silver lining is that your threshold does not get affected, right? If you swing, if you start swinging. Because it only counts for the highest point your account has been. But if you're lower than your highest point, then you can swing anywhere in between that, and it won't affect your threshold. I hope that makes sense. So I might as well hold this and dream. Dream for a big move down back to the bottom of this blue box. I guess I got you short here. Second short, maybe. Hopefully, doesn't take me out before it goes down. It's tough. This is tough. Looks like it's gonna try to take me out, huh? It's gonna take me out. Darn, thought we could get a dream runner here. Still a chance. 20 MA. Give me some resistance. I doubt it though. I doubt we're gonna get more than that. Yeah. Take me out? You would. You would, you dirty market. You would, you little dirty market. You would just take me out. You would. You would do that. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. You would. Down 1,000. Not as bad as it seems. You know, taking all things in account. Not the worst. You would take me out. You would take my runner out. The 5-minute chart is just tricky because it's clearly above the 20 MA here. But look at how many overlapping bars there are. I'm not expecting this to be a strong bull move, but we're clearly above the 20 MA. It's just weird. I don't know what to do. Accounts are still good. I mean, we still got some good threshold on them. We got about $1,400. We're still good. We're fine. We are A-okay. Just enough time for one more silly trade here. Second entry short. Should I take it? I can't. As long as we're above the 20 MA, there's not enough room to the 20 MA on the 5-minute chart. One more silly trade here, pandas. This is the silliest of all silly trades. Either one more Big Mama attempt. Do not copy my trades. Oof. Oof. I'll stop bar reversal. The fact that this trap failed to really move the market makes me feel like we can actually push up now. Right, this failed to actually reverse. Or not. Second short. Now it's getting way overlapping here. Right there, overlapping bars. This trap is no good. No bueno. No joy. That had room for one more silly trade. Doesn't seem like it. Yeah, I'm not interested in that. Not at all. I think we're having a trading range day today. I just don't know what the range is going to be. It's just so choppy. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. Let me get rid of all this nonsense. Look at this. It's an overlap, right? It's a limit order market. You can see that they're buying near the bottom, selling near the top. They might do that all day today. I don't know. Right? They just bought all the bottom here. It's almost looks contrived. Trap trade here still available. Don't know if I'm interested anymore. Last trade of the stream. Shall we? It's a dummy trade. I'll tell you that much right now. It's a dummy trade. Do not copy it. I don't like this price action right now. I do not like this price action. I'm staying away from this. I simply do not like it. It's just too choppy, too tricky, and it's just gonna chop me up. I have a feeling. I don't like it. I'll take maybe Big Mama one more time. One more attempt on Big Mama, but that's it. That's about it. I'll take one trade, one contract. I'll swing it to a double Big Mama. But that's about it. This trade's only worth swinging, in my opinion. It's too choppy. I mean, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just can't do it, pandas. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm going to leave it alone. I don't know what's going on. All right, we're pushing down anyways. Jeez Louise. Free paper cuts. Tomorrow is a new day. That is the goal. So what a tricky day. What a terrible... I mean, look at the price action today. It's just... terrible trade. Terrible market conditions right now. Actually, a decent push down here now. Right, the second entry short works. So we could be back in the premise that the reversal is still in play. Right, we're still making lower highs, lower lows, pretty much. Lower high here. I want to stick around and see if Big Mama triggers one more time. If we break this low here, I will end the stream. Lower high here. That was close. That was close. Just waiting. This could be a sharp crash down soon. Lesson learned on Big Mama. Always hate the Big Mama scalp. Jeez, I hate that. Almost. If we break this pivot low, I'm done. I'm out. What is going on? Is this stream ever gonna end? Okay, it matched it. Technically didn't break beneath it. Technically. What? Looks like the market wants me to stream. What is that? Interesting. Technically, we didn't break this low yet. Technically, we are inching towards it. We're ticking towards it. Interesting. I'm a man of my word. I'm a panda of my word. I said I'll end the stream if we break this low, but we still have not broken this low, so I'm still here. What is going on? What is happening? Potentially, I could be streaming all day today. Potentially here. I mean, technically, if you want to be technically, we still have not broken this pivot low. Technically, if you want to be if you want to be a technical person, then technically we have still not broken this pivot low. What in the world's happening? What is going on? Technically, we still haven't broken this pivot low. The market says, bye-bye money, stream on.
10,000
Stream on, Panda. Stream on. Oh, Hansman's right. Let me change that. You're absolutely right. I should change that. Sorry about that. Sorry for any confusion. We got a double trap setting up on the 10K and also the 2000 tick. I may attempt this. Trap here, triggers. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. Still clearly underneath the 20 MA. Looks bearish to me. There it is. All right. Ending the stream. Do I want to take a trade here is a question. Oof. Already pushes down. Way too strong. All right. There's a reversal. 10,000 tick trap trade. Trap trade 10,000 tick. That's what caused this big move down. Back to the bottom trading range. That's what I felt like. I felt like we're going to eventually get back to the bottom trading range. I just didn't know when. It was hard to time, in my opinion. And eventually it does happen with this trap. Unfortunately, it takes my runner out. I wanted all of this with it, but it is just way too choppy. The market was definitely in a limit order market type situation, and it is what it is. All right, Pandas. Though I am down $971, Pandas, we will continue to get that bamboo. Tomorrow, I'll see you guys bright and early, 9:15 for the mainstream, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. Hope to see you guys there. And until then, happy trading. God bless. Bye.